Hello, my people. Una good evening. Good evening. What's happening, Mama Gladys? You are on live video this time of the night. It's 8 minutes to 1 a.m. in the morning. Oh yeah, if you not see this video this night, make una see it tomorrow. Please share this video. Let it go viral. Let it go viral. Share this video as much as you can to Aproko, to Niger Watch, to Danija G, to anywhere. All the bloggers, all the YouTubers, all the pages. Because this message is a message to Monica, the madman wife of Leatherland. I see the love of my people. I also say, Mama, look at not first with me, my people. One of us subscribe to our YouTube channel, Mama Gladys Together in God's Family Reality TV. Things they happen there. But this kind of thing now, I want to say, because they say when you are a Roman, act like a Roman. Since YouTube, they have rules and regulations, how to respect their rules and regulations, because there are many things I wanted to do on YouTube that I can't do. So I come now to Facebook to reply Monica and Vera TV, the frustrated baby in the mother industry. So I will show everything that I cannot show on YouTube. Yeah, now please share this video. Share it. Tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon, anytime you come across this video, share it. So I'm going to say, wait till Mama Gladys come out now. Yes, so Monica call, I have to answer her now. Now, no, as they do now. Meme, I might be on Monica. Actually, they never born you. You are a born bastard. What a shame on you. You see your life now. Look at your life. Man, you know be. Woman, you know be. See your husband. When Monica say I be liar, that's why I enter YouTube. That's why I start to the. Since we enter YouTube, that's why I start to make money because of YouTube. Come, Monica. Money where they make my own salary. Now I take do my own foundation. We are take help people. Only one person you bring come, that's Tina. That Tina will get a kidney, liver problem, and a kidney problem. Monica, that girl needs nothing less than 3 million naira. Less than 3 million naira. What have you done for that girl? Nothing. Nothing. You are talking to me that saved many souls. I'm sorry, all my subscribers. When people come across the video, say, Mama Gladys, you say you know they do this kind of thing. I know, but you have to respond to this. You know the person where they craze. Monica, my mama not cause the death of your mother. Native Galatians, every native daughter said, your mother died. When they grow from one native daughter as to the other to kill them, now the death kill your mother. Of which they make your mother they drink or poto. Oh, for inside crazy today, Monica. Actually, your mother will never forgive you. Your mother will draw you come here, but as soon as you know, say you don't get long life again. That's why no people know they put mouth. You know, say your life is very short, but I pray I go finish with you first for court before your life, before they go take your life. Okay? Monica, actually, I will make sure say I finish with you for court first. Before your mother will come call you to her side. You know, fear my whole blessed mother. You are a bomb bastard, Monica. Madman wife. Now you see the talk. Oh, come here. Emma, you are going. Oh, come here, you are going. What am I going to do? Wanna see what I'm coming. Make a picture of your friend. Download the way. I'm happy, Monica. Oh, make a bring up my picture. Look at all my people. I'm coming. I'm coming. Monica, wanna come? Monica, come here. My wife, come here. Oh, Mama Gladys, they look for you. Kakabo. So now yes, so Mama not say Mama Monica early grateful. Monica, for my mother to come abroad at all. She's a blessed mother. For my mother. No asking Yabe Lagos Street to come to abroad. What do you do for your mother before she died? Of a native daughter, Juju. Monica, why you not carry your mother come abroad? You say you be big man wife. The big man will not say for your body. Maybe I'm coming back. They come. Wait to. Come on. Amata. I'm coming. If you picture Ladia. Me and my mother don't get what it costs for Monica and the mama body. Monica send the mama early grave. When it is he go fit use him wish, take draw native doctor go back. But native doctor medicine come pass Monica and the mama home. Waiting little Monica mama can't die of because they go after native doctor. So Monica, waiting come concern mama concern you, Monica to a mad wife. You are continue talking about it. His mama they crazy, his brother they crazy enemy. Talk of my own immediate family. I'm talking of my husband. When I don't see Monica husband, the crazy man of a land, he may bring a picture of her too. Monica, your husband, the Ambrose, the madman of Land, he screenshotted your man, make by my hair. The madman of Land. When I remember say Monica say for good 10 years after boy don't born for Ambrose, they don't give her paper. When I know why? Because Monica born for Jonky. When I hear so, I pity when they follow him. When that bastard frustrated woman, will not be even woman, when they call herself Monica. You know what it is? Go ask into that. They talk to that. They say that boy born for if a German guest born for them, a German guest born for them. They know they give the paper because they know say those girls they are chunky. For Monica, they don't give Monica paper for good 10 years after they don't born his children for Ambrose. They don't give her because Ambrose is a junkie. No. Ambrose is a junkie. He write, they don't say that me go tell Nana. He they write her for a head. You understand me so? That's why for good things they won't take out the look for Monica. He come up for Ambrose because of documents or because of love. You understand me? So after 10 years, let them come bring her. Sam, I take this picture, go give my lawyer. When I see Ambrose, for good 10 years, they don't give Monica paper. Because they don't say born for junkie. They don't say that junkie born for. So they won't look am. Whether he really love or because of paper. So after 10 years, and they come pity and give her, she actually take a match, or can a matter your own now. I bet my people. So Monica, you insult your mother. You got nothing to do with me. Bring out your husband. Look at your husband. Who were you Gaddafi me? This one there for our brother. This one I've been abroad for the past 30 years. This is Ambrose. When I say you see why Monica is after women will get good husbands. It can't put someone come and where is the B&B? Because B&B husband is too much. Make her not even go that side. Look, everybody when Monica don't try to bring down for this country, outside this country. When can I see the jealous from the start? Because this is the man Monica is having. Monica is depressed. I pity the way they follow him. They bad over her. They bad over her. See the hair when Monica they sell. One all of them they don't they follow. Oh what useless people. That's the ones following Monica. When I see the hair when Monica they sell. I see him. I'm me that time when I see Monica Laba. You see him, You see him? You see the hair? This for AliExpress is 35 euro. This in AliExpress is 35 euro. People they come and say, Mama, we like your hair. Ask them. I told them, I don't sell hair, but I will give them the link where I buy. Well, not be me even buy. buy am now when na sister, na one sister will love me, na buy am dash me. Look am o. Wanna see the hair? See the hair where I carry. Wanna see am? The hair when my a good follower, good. I don't want to call her good follower again because she love me. She buy this hair for me. That everybody is asking me, Mama, I want to buy. I say I don't sell, but I will give you the link to go and buy yourself. This hair costs 77 euro, the long one. The short one is 54 euro. Of which when Monica don't put everything together, they can sell that for the 250 euro. That is why Monica is dying. And let me show you. Oh, my people. Now I say, man, that's why people love me. He tell me name or say. Wanna see the video? AliExpress. Monica, don't fear me. I don't go come follow you say this kind of hair. Awa. The person who buy a can't dash me. I have to honor her to put that hair. Okay? I've been on this YouTube, on Facebook for years. I don't use them. It does not disturb me for not getting my subscribers. Monica, see me. When they carry you my hair. You see, women who never dream say they come abroad. You see when they carry you my hair, Monica. You never dream say you will come abroad. This you my hair for your life, you cannot buy it. So you are a bomb bastard. You are already a bastard. Wanna see the hair? See almost 60 US pound, 60 US dollar, which will be 54 euro. See wanna see the hair? Wanna see the hair? Now Monica they sell for them for 250 euro. Now Monica they sell for them for 250 euro. Person buy and call dash me. I have to honor her by using it. So Monica, I'm a beer. Ask people when I come and say to sell for the cap and everything is 120 euro. But you sell it for 250 euro. You left there and once for your business. Your own don't finish this year. Let me and you. We go do it for this Facebook for YouTube. Then we go cut. After Monica Tuari, how we fall. Now me they bring people down. People when don't want to deviate from evil. Now me they put end to their existence. Ask them Monday. After eating one of each other for years, now me bring end to them. This finish there. Let's say it's 54 euro, my people. $60 is 54 euro. So shame on you now. We're going to buy this kind of hair from Monica. 60 US dollar is 54 euro. So shame on you now. We're going to buy this kind of hair from Monica for 250 euro because it's what owner. Shame on you now. Una don't see money take gift to una for take off na children. Monica they take una take they make money. Monica never travel to Nigeria for in life before. True, because they sell makeup, they teach you na ding dong for Bola, what they call a fake Bola. They come and come do video for that one. The one where fuck Bola destroy the womb. That one another day. I will do that one for YouTube. Because una they follow am. If they tell a fake makeup, I told her see the first video. When Monica do, the very first video, we are going to look for them. The very first video when Monica do, by the way. When she come and say she be big my wife. When I go see the hair where they made for Monica head. That is the hair where she carry for good 3 months. Me and you now, we will be Nigerians now. We know as hair they be. Monica when not see money they do hair before. He can't use on a climb. Can't use on a make money. Can't they buy AliExpress. Can't they sell for 250 euro. For 300 euro. Hair when she buy for 50 euro. And I see the clothes. A lot of us break everything out now. Not people go come tell you now. No, na sabio because why man like banana? But one time I test you have to reply Monica. Me I show her the video. When I know the very first video when Monica do when you take I feel show this bola na say I see this thing. When I say see the rubber dick when Monica they sell for. When you go to help them, they buy, make they tell the phone to herself because Abru's pennies don't they work. See the rubber dick, Mona, see the rubber dick. He says inside person anus. Inside person a toto. When I see the rubber dick, I don't know when I finish this one here. And they come, if they don't come out. See the rubber dick when Monica they sell for them. See me they go to bed because I'm Bruce Peniston. When I see the rubber dick, so shame on now. This man won't die, the woman won't die. It's the fake artificial bola, just because Bruce Peniston they walk. Monica no because a joke you don't kill Monica, I don't kill her Bruce Penis. Not be say tell me tell you. What everybody know now? That can mad my penis is up bear. More than they talk true now. That's all that be. So this woman I call the shit to now. Maybe when they buy rubber tick, they satisfy herself. Of she don't go satisfy, they will not satisfy you people. If not be Panadol, don't feel be like Panadol. There's something like natural. Eh? So it's time for people to wake up. Okay? Someone has seen Monica. When she just started, he said we big man by that time. What will I see the hair where they made for her head? Ah, what boy hair? What I see am. You go see the girl tango where she sound. When I see the person where say be big man wife. When I see the hair where they are head. When the pomale or is a kala no catch over now. When I see am. When the pomale don't chowe, he called the man here. Now this one come and I say be big my wife for now. Thanks to una way if you take make money we take buy AliExpress. When I see this is the first video that Monica did. When I see what am I to wear? Anybody that buy hair from Monica will digi. Monica see the hair where the Monica head when she come up for the very first time. See the singlet alone. So far, walking Monica for inside house. So far. If you see her, you know it's so far, walking Monica for inside house. Now see her. So because she's gonna come and then they put they put AliExpress, they collect €150 interest from una. You go buy air for €60. You go swam. Fine, to swam is €30. €20, €30. You go see the person when Monica they cost here now. That guy is very that woman, that lady, he has a husband responsible. When I know the person when Monica they cost that time now, when I go look your husband and the wife. Because Monica was so depressed because he has a husband, he don't get husband. Monica was having madman on his side. When you mad at the hand, when you not clap on the tongue, no. All of them are going to clap hand for and say, get out. You see, waiting depression be want to Monica. She not get air for head again. For a person to carry this kind of air for 3 months. Mamma, a bomba don't have when you read over my dinner now. Because thanks to YouTube money. And I just watched the Kima €100, €20. And now he's even collecting money from people to cost people. They will give Monica 40,000 naira, 100,000 naira. Make it take bring people down. When I was say yes, he's saying the truth. Oh, I'm doing. I must say, imagine time. Make one person come and say, he don't pay me a pen to do video for them or to talk for them. Error. Okay? So Monica, for the next level you go come where my mother stay. Where my mother stand, your mother will not go stand there. I'm a responsible daughter. To fly my mother, Mama, is not your mate. You better bigger than her. I know, but I have to give it to her at times. You have to give it to her at times. I'm a responsible daughter to bring my mother to abroad. Monica, your daughters and your son, which for this abroad we did, so 2021, 2020, in 21st century, which sport your children they do? Tell me, Monica, which sport your children they do? Because sports cost a lot. You see my daughter Sabrina, she was #1 in dancing in eyes. Go and ask how much it costs to send a daughter to do this kind of a sport. So Monica Leonard will never be made. No matter how much you go make for YouTube, make her well, because the time when YouTube go start cut, the money you go pay. You say I kill somebody, you have to bring that grave that you have to show it to the world. Me and you, I did not want to respond to you, but I just said, no, I will. Kakabo. So you see, my daughter, she's number one. She stopped doing it when she started higher school. Okay? Because she wanted to follow her education. Tell me your children, your underage children now. What is their sport? Yeah, the boy don't play sport. The girls no get. So when all that you are a bomb bastard. You are a bomb bastard, Monica Atua, the man, my wife of Netherlands. Mommy, boy, funny. Since when they curse people, they curse. Nobody don't give you name, not gain away. If anybody wants insult you now, my wife, yes, say they say be big head or wama, but me I don't give you name. After that name, mommy, that name don't be your logo. That name don't be your marker. After this, now go carry when we go finish for court, I want revenge for everybody when you don't curse. Okay? You say I kill somebody, that's why I bring guests. When we go start court, you go bring the guests where I carry come, and the person, the graveyard will say I keep person, you go bring her out. Okay? If not be that way, if not, I be not get it. When I share this video now, one me yellow my share, but when I share, huh? When I share, oh come on. So that is it. My mother, she gave birth to excellent children. If not be say where all children will not be the same. The way when my mother train us, if your mother train you like that, your life will better pass as you did so. You know, Sam, as all of the 5 minutes, you said the man when they do this thing with me, foundation, I can't see color again. In God department, we will soon start court. Make you not fight for that man. When we don't finish for court, you go see the result. Whether I get or not. No be here we go talk am again. No be here we go talk. I just see that James Junior. When he say he no be gay, we dey go court to me or more that they go lay, and they go Jerusalem for initiating our innocent African Nigerian brothers into prostitution of gay. He tell you not say he no be gay. I don't save that video already. People don't say you come out and not come out. Waiting make am wear gay pride t-shirt. You come to a court that day. I'm coming. Where were you? Waiting make this boy. James say no be gay. Waiting make am wear this t-shirt. This is gay pride t-shirt. Gay pride. That's LGTB. I don't know. This is their t-shirt. This boy say no be gay. When they make am wear this t-shirt that day for court, when we go start court, he go tell them. I don't get the video already. I thank God say una dey bounce on me, una dey make the whole world to believe on me more. You see me, Monica? Better where they wear this thing. You might when my enter with your weapon my boy, one argue useless mad my wife. Then let me show you my mother last born. Let me show you. Me, I have done everything I'm supposed to do for the family. Welcome I welcome her too. Who say they know you near now? Who say you don't near now? You bye. This is my mother last born. Go and look to this video. No one follow this Victor Vince on Facebook. Oh, look at him. Look at what is dedicated to my mother.
I just got a call from my mom.
Okay.
A few days ago.
This is what listen, Monica. This is my mother last born. Look at what is dedicated to my mom. Bring your brothers and sisters. Even not be feeling away, come fool himself for Facebook, for YouTube because they won't break me down. Anybody that feel like back and then Monica, no as you go work for YouTube, respect you wear that shoe. Oh no. Wear Fiona for wear a sleepers till tomorrow. You don't feel stand there. So all my mother children, they are blessed. You are a bomb bastard. Look at what Victor Vince dedicated to my mother. Let me play. You both should follow him on Facebook. On Facebook, yeah. I'm coming. Yeah, whoa, Mudia.
And she said,
okay.
I'm going to be coaching her.
Wait.
I just got a call from my mom a few days ago. And she called me and she said, I'm going to be quoting her. That's why I'm going to be speaking my dialect, my Benin language. She said, so let me translate that in English. So what she's basically saying is that she said she's an old woman now. All the hair has gone white, gray. And the last time I saw her, it was probably about 6 months ago. Well, my name is Victor Vince. I'm a life coach and business coach. Today I'm going to be talking about copied idea. Okay, copied idea. So I'm going to start with Starbucks. Then the part 2 of it, I'm going to be talking about my mom. So let's get into it. Starbucks, okay? Most of you that live in Ireland, UK, the US, probably you have charged your phone in Starbucks, probably you have eaten Starbucks, probably you have drink coffee in Starbucks. The idea actually comes from Italy, okay? One of the founders was in Italy, was on holiday, and he saw the way all these Italian people run their coffee shops. He enjoyed the idea, and he went back to the US and started doing Starbucks. Today, Starbucks is everywhere. So another example I will give to you about copy idea is MySpace. Okay, today I'm talking to you from Facebook now, but Facebook copied the idea from MySpace. Most of you are very young, probably you don't know anything about MySpace. I still have some friends that I met through MySpace. They are a bit older now, above 35. So MySpace is a really old social network. So MySpace migrated to Facebook. So it was a copy idea. Now everybody's using Facebook. So let me talk about a bit about my mom. I mean, she's my role model in terms of entrepreneurship and in terms of hardworking, you know. In fact, I'm dedicating this video to her. I mean, she was a petty trader. As a petty trader, she was able to buy 2 land and able to train 6 children. So that's a kudos to her with her level of education and everything. So my mom used to sell food, you know. She used to sell food at Union Bank. Union Bank just beside the Mission Road there. Most of you must are aware of that. So my elder sister, she was living in Lagos then. So she came to visit us. And she came to where my mom said, and see all these people selling the chin-chin. Okay, this chin-chin is what you eat, you know, chin-chin, you know it that something like yellow stuff. So there's this chin-chin around the whole street in front of where my mom is selling her food. And my sister fell in love with the idea and said, look, this chin-chin, we don't have it in where I live in Lagos. Why don't we transfer this idea to Lagos? So that is how my mom get into the business of selling chin-chin. So anytime my mom will just come, buy everybody will buy all the chin-chin in Lagos Street, straight to Lagos. So that is the idea I'm talking about, copy idea. And I will also give an example with a girl. A girl that actually called me.
Okay, you hear, so this video was done on Christmas, the 25th of December 2019, just 2 weeks ago. So you see, my Monica. Waiting my mom pass. She's still there for life today. Monica, if I ever talk to your mother, you will go free. And if you pass through, you hear my life from my last. This is my last brother. Mother not say, I know the talk with you no get proof. It's my mother last born. This is him in Ireland. This is Victor Vince. This is when I went. This is Victor Vince. This is when I went for his marriage.
I just got a compliment.
This is when I went for his marriage in Dublin. I'm the one that did marriage for him in Dublin. Any man who never really made me Jimmy. Or piano no, I didn't Monica. When I say him, you met him work power. I stand for my brother and my sister. You see, this is me and Victor Vince. When he did marriage with a white woman to collect documents. I'm the one that bought this marriage gown. The white woman said that he's not going to do marriage if he don't have white gown. I'm the one that buy Victor this suit and the white woman gown. This is my daughter Sabrina. She was the flower girl. When I see her, I know they talk waiting no get proof. I have done more than I'm supposed to do for my brothers and sisters. But my brother today is supporting what is his name? Gospel Foundation. What is the name? Osage, John Osage. He even do video, I think a month ago. Somebody sent it to me. When my brother was even doing video for Baika and John Osage, I look at shaken. Before my brother started doing that video, when I started years ago, I told him, come and join me. Let us do things together. But he said, no, he went with John Osage. But it doesn't cost me anything. But when I see the video is dedicated to my mother, so I think it is time now to introduce him to the world. Monica said, my mama, they know no one aware. So Monica, you see my mother last born. This is Victor Vince. Go and look at him on his page. He has many followers. He's a responsible guy. So Monica, you are a bomb bastard. Monica, 2020, I go destroy you. I know they talk with you, know they get evidence. So I say, this is when I went to the marriage. Let me be testimony. I know what I passed through, the temptation where I even get to attend this marriage. Will you hear me so? The temptation where I get to attend this marriage. When my junior brother called me, Victor said, want to marriage. This year, we wanted to marriage. And I did to go. He said, your boy said, if you not see, the boy, you don't only enter Dublin. You don't get money for wedding gown, nothing. I said, okay, don't worry. I will do that. I wrote scatter. Enter stores, go buy the wedding gown, the suit and everything. You understand me so? That's why I tell rush. Take Rich airport for Torino. Because the wedding, the marriage had to take place on Friday. On Wednesday, I was in the airport to go and submit this wedding gown. Yes, so when I reached airport, the hostess at Tiana, the ones where they start playing, he said, I can afford this wedding gown. I said, please, I can't afford this wedding gown because it's when they are going to use it on Friday office. That's just 2 days interval. The hostess will allow you. I have to afford it. I said, I'm not going to afford them. Now joke. Just say if I don't afford, I'm not going to tap plane. I said, let you talk. You understand that because I know say I carry SS luggage. To hold a wedding gown like this, he said, no, do you know what? Before I know it, they don't let me board my luggages. So they did not allow me to board my luggages. At the end, plane lock up. I joke. They said, no, I cannot enter that plane. And the ticket was this express ticket. They say there's no refund. Me and my daughter, are you joking with me? Don't be joking. Now some plane take come out. Wait till I tell the word. Let's check the report if you don't see wedding gown. You know the married Victor Vince. Now yes, so. Now come my brother Victor. And I tell where they call him. Jaguar. I tell for airport. They say because I don't afford this thing. This is wedding gown of your wife. They're not gonna let me, but then a plane don't come out. You know, say nobody go believe me. Say at the airport, I might as well not go back to house. I have to call my husband because that time answer never exist. I have to wait make my husband reach house first to call my husband. Come carry me for airport. They don't let me enter plane because I not for this thing. And the marriage is on Friday. You know, yes, so. My brother said, I like the taco, and they don't prepare everything. The news don't go everywhere. Say, had they come from Italy, we are going to do a big marriage. You understand me? Because we have to pet the guy. Don't say, okay. He said, my brother wants to do marriage because of paper. So we have to pet him. Say no because of paper. Because when my brother ever tell me, say, sister, the guy got body. I said, what do you mean? Me, I don't got body. Your mother don't got body. Your wife not be man married me. Me, I don't got body. Your sister feel I don't get body. My mother don't get body. So when you tell the woman get body, you understand me? I can't try to make her say, make it show her more love. Because I want to call me, oh boy, that's it. When I hear so, that's how I go die. What I go do? This when I call say I don't feel flat. You say I say no go do marriage again. Say no go do. And if they postpone that marriage on Friday, it go be 3 months time before they can able to program another marriage. It will take 90 days. because in that 90 days, this guy can't change my call, say no, the matter uncle. When I know the sharp people, and they don't tell us say, no matter if it's all, you won't take you to paper, this and that, they don't change your mind. Now just because when I call the girl, the love when I call the show him, you understand? So the girl can say, my brother is not for that. That my brother really ready to marry him. Now they hear me so. Now they hear so. The next morning, I got paid almost, I think we don't enter euro that time. It was 2002 now, yeah. I got paid almost 2,000 euro to buy tickets that morning. Me and my daughter, I have to buy tickets again. My return ticket, that the first ticket I buy, destroy. That was how my enemy don't see temptation reach. Make this boy for not do this marriage, make him for not get document. Like yes, so because they know say if you do this marriage, you go get document. Now make this boy get Dublin city. Now make him be Ireland citizen today. Now make him get their passport. Thanks to this guy. Thanks to me. Because if I don't go with my boldness, why did make a boat here? Why did make a boat here? The next morning, my husband will cut 2,000 euro out to buy new ticket. To make this thing to be honored. Now, I don't say good thing they come, bad thing they follow. Temptation they follow. I say temptation they umbrella. But the women like this was again my way, but it's not what. I'm not for making them down. I'm not for making them down. So at the end, I went there. The marriage was successful. Thank God today. After this marriage, he got the document. Now they hear so. So Monica, waiting, you stand with me, I don't stand for my brothers and sisters. If you say they stand like this for me, move forward. I didn't even tell them to stand for me. Let us unite together. Because the family where they unite, now be rich family. Because outsiders not going to feel Jews, you lie. Now because we know unite, now they cause her. If you don't come and come and say, my brother, Victor Vince. I said when they struggle then, when they just start, 2 viewers, 3 viewers on the insult them. I said, my own brother, let them struggle like this. And I tell him 3 years ago, join me with this your skill. They bring a whole talker for my platform. No. Go to John genocide. I'm not jealous of that, or I'm not interested. But you know why I said this thing this evening? You see the video where it's dedicated to my mother. My mother not be only 2 land the bio. My mother don't build as finish. When Jumbo mother don't be Jumbo mother again. He sell am from my mother because my mother no talks. I told her, see this woman, this Kokudu Bensi wife. Now so they won't take my mother tongue to. Yes, sir. Because the woman, she don't go about place. She don't go any place. You understand me? So when this bastard Monica, when Mama Chris died, want to educate my mother for what she not be. Monica, who we have who? You know say you don't finish. Why you finish where just look at the way you take course. Coco Benson yesterday for video where you do. You just you can't come out today, they're going to take my to repair them. If you don't finish, you don't take my destroy them already. That video, everybody see that video. Responsible people, they talk responsible to you. E.g. me. Go and look at the video that I did. I said, Daddy, Coco Benson, please, I don't know you. I want my woman, but the whole world know you. Can you come to the head of your wife? He saw that my video, a friend of him in Torino, a big man, a bishop, called me the next day and said, Madam, I've seen your video. Please, just give me time. Coco Benson will handle the case of the wife. Then I called German First Lady. Please don't do video about that woman again. When I say German First Lady do video, now what you have a boom one. You see the jealousy when this bad dad Monica get against German First Lady. Because your husband, you don't feel this way that your husband dead now. And that will get me now. How will you have a boom one? How you will tell Monica? Eh? You have been insulting that woman for years. For long. She don't reply tell you today, you know. He call you Monica. No worry. Continue calling her. You will know the type of person she is by then. Anytime, sir. Because anytime you call me, you call and say your friend. I've never talked to your friend. What is her name? What is her name? Lolo. Because she didn't do me, and it's only one time when Lolo insult me. Only the time when Lolo insult me, I show her. Because you know, the people who don't know say tomorrow. Don't you say that's when you are on top, don't look down on people, by me. Don't look down on people because you don't know what tomorrow will bring. This is the video. When I see Monica now. When I remember Monica now, when I see this video. Even I later when I call me, make I send that to her. When I see her, she's just very ugly. Now this video, when I do this video, I think 2016. Lolo, everybody just started to do that video that time. Lolo, they do video. Lolo trauma to me, say, when I see one woman when they carry pots, they come and they hit. This is the video when Lolo take trauma to me. This is 2016. And they do my own Lolo trauma to come meet me, say, see that woman. You know they get more than 60 viewers. But today, where I stand for YouTube under 4 months, Monica and Lolo cannot stand there. I have all the proof. I will share it to you people now. Okay? They have been on YouTube for the past 4 years. They are still strongly counting, asking for subscribers. I have letting less than 5,000 subscribers a month. You understand me? This is my first video of eating when I was on diet. Lolo, remember this video? You insulted me on one of your videos. You just start that time. Lolo, the rain. He said, get one woman when they carry pots, they eat outside. She know they get more than 60 viewers. But let's talk about YouTube today. If I still dedicate my time to go on Instagram, dedicate my time to build my page, the same thing that's what people love me. So, nobody knows what tomorrow will bring. Make una take time. Make una take time. So, when I see this video, I'm going to share them again. I'm not going to see them. So, my people, when I see them, because I went on there, they say who shit, they forget them, but who pack and they forget them. Now, me, they tell now, just like Monica, but they catch them. Monica, they gather the money, the Jesus will say not be gay. Say the boy say not be gay. When we don't start cut, we will still be gay by that time. And you will come as a testimonial. The video, you come out and not come out and don't save them already. But man, we have your body now. So that one is for Monica. So let it be the last time when you want to talk when you are talking to me, talk to me direct. Forget about my friend, say your friend, because I know they put your friend Lolo. Just go and talk to, if you want to talk to a German first lady, talk to her directly. She don't start to call your name today now. You don't know what is waiting for you. Oh, everywhere. When your teacher come out, you're a bomb bastard. Prostitute like you. Native doctor say you're today they smell of you. For me, native doctor, for reject you. Up to today, you don't talk about that message. When your man go die because of a thief native daughter property. When your man they come from one native daughter to the other. So Galatian native daughter will cause the class to kill your mother. Because this and it's time for you to put it to your brain and say, the best that is in Monica is what she's using against others. She's insulting other people's mother because her own mother died of grace. Well, I know that now, Squadronians native daughter, he talk and confirm and Monica fair let her reply till today, no. If they insult other women, gallant women with gallant husbands, what will Monica do today? Monica will go and be insulting their husband. You see me and my husband? Hey, Monica, make a pretty one will forget me where our picture come at it. Ah, what be where our boom one. I am going here. I want to I don't say people say they're quiet. I don't want to make them pity you because you are depressed. You are a desperate. Look at me and my family. You see, I'm on this 5 years ago when I do my 40 years birthday. You see me and my family. Now limousine carry us. You say we also want to tell pastor. You are a bomb bastard. You are a bomb bastard. See, you see me and my son. What bet you are, Monica? What bet you are? You see, do you have a happy home like this? When your husband, if you not drunk, go tell you, I don't give you document because they don't say you want money because of documents. You see me and my husband, won't go to our native land custom. The video is there already. Okay, I'm coming. Let me show the video, the picture. Okay. You see as husband and wife, they be. This is husband and wife. Monica, where is your husband? Crazy man. Not be crazy man, madman. You they talk for where people they talk. Monica, go and hide yourself and chop up your dirty, smelling mouth and your teeth. Scattered teeth. Where? You will regret it when you jam me. The name I don't give you, it don't fit you. Everybody don't give out to you. Ask people when they come say they won't buy hair. I don't say. I give them the link. They should go and buy. Some people continue buy with Monica. That juiceless thing never done. When the juice they carry rubber, till they satisfy himself. You can say look like how you have your cousin and they run they go. Single mothers. People when they distress. People when don't get husband, when good husband by their side, now they follow me, they teach you now about husband. They say bed of the same feather. Now na be. When I see husband and wife, we are working class. He said that so that the government help. Government never helped me. Government never gave me time. My husband is the one working to take care of his children. My daughter went to a private high school, and my son. Okay. We pay little less than 1,200 euro in a month. Before my daughter finished the high school, my daughter is going to a university. She go to a university now with bursary studio with scholarship. Every month they give her little less than 1,000 euro. Because she won it. She studied for it and won that win. Wabe you are. Go. Juiceless thing. Bobby. So, that is for Monica. Let me call for Vera. That frustrated Vera. When I say this woman not respond to Vera. You get people who go respond to now. See Vera see Vera husband. Gigi Obama will go marry for Ondo State. Now native daughter. She don't see her. See her. When I see Vera native husband, so I come feel as me I just gallant rich. With my happy family, my husband, gallant, my children, gallant, I can't respond to Vera because he passed Libya. I don't show carry and reach it from it. I don't go Spain. I don't go Germany. I do not ask do me well. Because he get free Wi-Fi. If he put color for head, now not going to cost me where I got the answer. More than see Vera children. Now let's say person they talk like. Now say as the children, see this is better 5 boys. When I don't see the slippers where they better have, when I don't see the orphanage where me they assist. The left that's those children they kinky receive better children. This one are better when they cost more. I just say how much is going to reply to better. How can I repair somebody when children don't get slippers to wear for leg? When I say this one not be Photoshop. When I don't say as the pickings the children is better. We are not there, my people. We are not there. Frustrated people when they follow Vera because when I tell them that they make one okay. It's not okay, me man. Person goes me very say who can help after abandoning 5 children this way. What are we talking about? Before I come out to help the orphanage people, to help people, because I'm a mother of my whole house for my children. For crying out loud. No, look, see me again, I come and verse on this one. People following Vera, look at Vera 5 children. 6 slippers, especially when mama there for abroad. What are we talking about? Eh? See this last one, I said, and go orphanage home. I don't know the phone number of this man. When I tell him, I go assist and can go orphanage home where they assist. May they collect this 5 shillings because this man cannot do it alone. How can this man do it alone? This man they form Vera every day when I say they born because Vera Toto, you don't feel stay without pennies. When I say that enter jail, other projects don't get 2 children. Make no worry, the audio. When he take call African German First Lady, when they cry say your husband walking out with Bele, the man fuck him because he drink, let me can get Bele. Because the man not sleep with on go hear the audio wait time reach. Okay? 5 children under 7 years. Never I tell upon that children. Now let's talk about the cost when I see I can't reply her. Are you people we on a print day? Or make African German First Lady can't reply this one. Wait, see the bed where these children sleep. Just imagine. See the bed where these children they sleep. 5 children. See the bed where they sleep for crying out loud, my Nigerian people. Following Vera because say they insult who. So if African German First Lady no respond to this girl. We don't say because say if they look at someone say na when now. Vera don't reach to answer now. I don't declare for Vera. Continue. Now this kind of person where she they don't get bed to sleep. We are not see the carpet where even dead the house. What are we talking about, my people? See the children. I beg now. See them now. Not say the children is able now. What are we talking about? So if who doesn't Monica come out to where they cost itself, they're like, I'm not going to answer because I've given it to them. Till the next episode. Because the day when they're hungry, they know they're hungry me. I have a lot to do. Where is my family show now? My YouTube. I go show now tomorrow. I tell Monica, say, Monica, bring out your viewers. On YouTube, bring out the subscribers. Monica say, don't make it out, don't make you come, flag for my subscribers. See, you see the fear wish. If Monica see the fear wish, Mona go look information. Go to YouTube and look information. I started my YouTube on the 30th of August, 30th of September, 30th of October, 30th of November, 30th of December. Make it 4 months. Look at my viewers. 2.653 million people. Mona go look Monica. Upon all the saga what Monica don't do, she having 2.3 million since 4 years old. Me under 4 months. My subscribers now is 21,000 subscribers. When I see all of it celebrate 10,500 subscribers since 4 years when they did there for YouTube. So Monica, you go die, you go wake, you cannot stop me. You say they block my YouTube. Who block them? You say they block my YouTube for 3 months. Some people, basically when call YouTube for 4 months, they'll block YouTube for 3 months. The guy where he say, when they send me the way he take do useless video with the Peking naked video. She take my video, she take my YouTube. Then I said the next I'm going to share the video. Now she call the beg, ask him. He said the ex-husband from Nigeria may beg me. He said another person come from America make her beg me. Ask her, Monica, make you they get information first when they talk. Now I don't shout out, not be a week they say they want to block her. I said no problem. The moment I can share the video. She called the beg. You are a bomb bastard. Make her like this. I want to make a show. I told her I see my show na Monica. I they come on. Why you tell them tomorrow I go bring I go screenshot my subscribers. When I tell Monica make it show our subscribers. When I show go let her show. Oh come on. Okay, do. Okay, see now. Hey. My battery won't off for me a quick maker. My battery won't off. See, Monica demand my wife. See the 2,319,000 views. For 4 years upon, he bring a backward down. Skimming out the little to upon all the saga we don't do for that. video for YouTube for 4 years. He's still under me. So now this will be the day when Monica won't die. No use going near my YouTube at all, Monica. Your wish, me I don't pass you already, you know. Your wish nothing near me. See that girl thing and she want that because of 3 million naira. You not fit donate and give her. Now me finish connect the toilet. As a child, make they put us to rich. The man will say, okay, go ask him. As a planner, you want tomorrow to say the planner. Working in one time. I've given it to you people. That man will say, I can't get. Now we won't start court now. Once they make the court is where if I take you to let the court judge me. But Monica, me and you, we two go start. Oh wait, for where the sleep don't clear for my heart. When I see when Monica won't die, so in 4 months, I'm 21 every month, 5,000 subscribers. YouTube they like me privately. Congratulations, Madam Mama Gladys. Congratulations. What does God do for me? What does God do for me? What bet you are? Send them money where they enjoy for YouTube. You see you? You'll see what you. Monica will be allowed. Wow. Oh, we allow that market, that air market where you want to sell it. If you need any help, wanna call me. I go teach, I go share, this thing go looking for now. When I see Monica collect 50,000 naira from this girl. Monica, when they collect money from them, let's not do video for you. Remember this video now. When this guy call Monica house, he collect 50,000 naira from mom. When I remember, he collect 50,000 naira from this guy. He don't do the message. Monica just as to the thief, they collect money from H as to collect a rich now. We don't take a no say to better thing. Now AliExpress and AliExpress shirt and peruka and makeup now you take them back. Now you take me I don't take and laugh to say summer and summer buy house. You know that under 2 years it change house. You buy it. You are see from one rent to the other. The house will come again for Holland now. Thank God if not for there for street. You go rent house now for London, we go search your testimony to pay. Me back now you were born and you don't go see go follow you back here. Except those useless one. Just so let me finish enjoying this topic. It's very interesting. You collect 50,000 naira from this guy. You don't do the makeup the message for her. When this guy come meet me, I drive her immediately. Go away with your fraudulent this thing. This guy come meet me say. He said, so they get you go enter internet blogging to the making money. I said, come, I don't use my platform to welcome fake. You cannot tell me say people sleep for house going to make money. Make her ask him. I drove her away. That is why the other day she come for that useless video. But they insult me, say, I'm going to meet me. Now say bring a business for me, make I tell to people. I'm not going to tell people. Say, when you this useless get to, where's her name? Do this useless get to. When they look, I want to call me too. You hear so? I don't drive you. You even take your man talking for better video that they talk say, I drive you because you say you want big business, make Nigerian people, make them make money. You never see me put all of them for business. You never had to show because of that when you open your home page. How many you don't change it? Like we never start to see testimonial when they make 10,000 euro in a month. Wow. Just like I allow na useless people, frustrated people, can't use my platform on a complicated down. Never. My God will never allow me. Okay? This thing useless girl has to send this message to so. Okay? So, when I see the air when Monica they sell, I say, I know it's a bit talk like, say, Monica lobo. See the rubber air where they say, wanna go they buy. When I say, this sell for AliExpress is 45 euro. 45 euro. To sew the paruka, to sew her for cap is 30 euro. So they sold for 20 euro. So they sold for 25 euro. At the end altogether will be 80 or 90 euro. For this one, but Monica they collect 200 euro. Who are fair? Those are the ones who they follow on the back paruka. Eh? Now this go Yerina Sika they come out now. How much? 5 euro for France. 5 euro. Then they said that Yerin for France. 5 euro. You know where they are now? Now get what not be everything we see for person body that they buy. Okay? Monica, you say you get brand of this same back here you were born. If you want to buy it, call me. Send it to me. I will look for you. I will look for it for you. Inside AliExpress and you go and buy them. Okay? Ask people where come and say they won't buy. And then give them the link. I said they don't see, they don't feel search. It's 120 euro because the pen has to tell long, and this short one now is 45 euro. If the long one is 70 euro, the pen I tell them altogether is 120 euro. Because person will come still buy for you, not me buy. That person will buy can't dash me. You go still get your 10 euro when want a session for you. But it's still better than you go and buy it from Monica for 250 euro. Now wake up. Why do you want? Now they see me there for the short person. I better so I talk and reach this evening, my people. Follow me tomorrow evening by 9 o'clock. If I still come from church, I will still do some video. It's not even up to Mama. Okay, thank you. Tomorrow evening on my YouTube. There's a sister, our Nigerian sister, a third sister, when forget to pick for Sierra Leone. When they come abroad from Nigeria, this was 20 years ago, the pikin is 19 years now. He come up from Nigeria, he reach Sierra Leone, he come born for them, he can't leave the pikin for people waiting for the one Nigeria man waiting for Sierra Leone say, as making for crossing off Ghana pikin, we say that's land to land, now they tell they enter Europe that time. This one called Italy now. When they just reach Italy, I think they say the pikin said they send out something by that time. Sometimes the pikin still tell no, they send a picture of things. But see, for the pikin, receiving mama things up to 6 years. But since 14 years now, no, the pikin is 19 years now. For 13 years, and the pikin don't know, it will not hear from his mother again. And when that pikin is content for the hand of Sierra Leone people with the black man, the Nigerian man, he said, "I so beating that they beat him. They cost us say, Mama, no, they bring money. Yes, they're not that easy. If Mama go there abroad, Mama went to Africa, go cost the help him. I send to you, sir. You are welcome. Person will sit there for Sierra Leone, when see they manage, you can't take care of the pikin. One other person born the mother there for abroad. So the pikin now, God don't make and they don't pass land by itself through Libya. He did Italy now, he dey look for the mother. When I heard the story, I cried. I said, wow. Wow, the pikin say he want to know the mom. He say he want to know his mama. He say he want to know, especially he know his mama picture, but he say he don't know his father. He said when the mama they call her that time, by the time we there for 6 years old, mama told say papa na from Delta. So this pikin I want to see the I go come tomorrow evening. Follow me on my YouTube. I will display a picture. And you people will hear from the paper, from the Oyibo people that is helping her. The Oyibo people and the black people they work for social for camp. Now they come and say, then believe on my YouTube say I can find out that mother of that boy. So Monica, me too, know they do the same thing. I'll bring joy to many people. Many. I don't take a dime. I don't take a dime. Your cup don't full. This is your hand. If I'll bring you right down, and you will die after that bringing you down. Depression, you will die for it. Because that depression, they make you the cause other people will not talk to you. So my people, that's why I talk about this evening. See you on my YouTube channel. Go and subscribe. Go and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Things they happen there. For 5,000 people to be subscribing every month, you will not say there's a message. As Monica just garish everything. And the friend, say now, my friend, what they call her, African German First Lady. Now some Monica said that's why I'll come everybody shop. African German First Lady no shop. You don't shop from me. There are many videos they see what they carry for head. We don't even talk about it. Because now you be the hungry person. Now then you go collect money from Nigeria Wash. Upon as they go cost your papa, cost your mama rich. Nigeria Wash go play message to Monica Abrus. You go because of 40,000 naira in every 3 months. You go do okay with her. Who did you? Who did you? Oh amen. Oh amen. What about go and do your reply tomorrow. Me, I don't do my own. One of you was together, my people. Hey, I play this music. What I feel plan. Oh, wait. Oh, I feel plan here. Yeah. Maybe I tell you as well. Wait. May I dance for now? Let me dance it for now. Whoa. Where the music go?